Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is questions and answers about me, so you will learn a little bit more who I am. My name is Fatima. I'm from Tenerife, the Canary Island in Spain. I want to share my love of Spanish cooking, and I would like to have my own food channel, cooking channel, and show and share all these dishes that are close to my heart and very traditional from Spain. I do not have, I have so many favorite dishes, but one common thing that will have my favorite are made with the simplest and with the freshest ingredient, with full of flavor. I have so many in my channel like this, and you know, that is monkfish, fish, chicken, that are very simple to make and they don't have any additional. And I wanted to share all of them with you. My channel, Fatima Spanish Kitchen, is where I share recipes that are easy to make and flavors from Spain. And the traditional day by day in Spain is what I would like to share with all my subscribers and the YouTubers, and family and traditional, and really easy to make and very simple. I want to spread the message of how to cook real Spanish Mediterranean food from Spain. I want to share my own tips, and as my mother told me, when you cook you have to put your heart in what you are making, and also love what you're cooking, and it is an act of love. And also you have to have a lot of patience, because cooking is not like this. You have to, it takes time, and you know, and enjoy what you're doing. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my following recipes. Adios, I see you next Thursday. Bye bye.